Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to send crypto using Binance. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, this right here is the interface of Binance, and I have already logged in case you have not do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to send crypto. At the top on the navbar, if you scroll to the right, you will see a button like this called as More. Simply hover over it. And guys, as you can see, there are multiple options. Right now what you have to focus on is simply this thing called as Pay. Click on it. Once you do, you will be redirected to this page, that is Binance Pay. Well, do note that there are lots of options like live on crypto, become a member and everything. But right now, all we want to do is send the crypto. Right here, you can see the send button. Click on it. Well, once you do, this thing will open up. From here, all you guys need to do is enter the recipient's email or phone ID or simply the Binance ID. Simply enter the details right here. Once you've done that, simply hit on continue. And guys, that is it. Once you've clicked on that button, you will be redirected to this page. You can simply select the currency from right here, click on this drop down and select the currency. Let's say I select this one. Now all you guys need to do is enter the amount right here, and do note that you can also add a note. Once you've done that, simply click on continue. And guys, that is it. After everything's okay, simply confirm the payment and the crypto will be sent. That is it guys, that's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.